Hi folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Man, do we got a cool one for you right now. We're at Wentzville, Missouri in their Rod Run. They have it twice a year, and this is the August Rod Run. But anyway, why don't you guys do me a favor and hit that subscribe, like, and share button. That'd be awesome. And I'd also like to thank all of my subscribers. You guys are awesome too. But why don't you guys come with me and let's find some cool cars.
Cut that out anyway, right?
Oh yeah, I can. We're gonna cruise down through the strip here, guys, and look and see what all's down here. See all the people lined up. See what kind of cars there are out here tonight so far. Looks like there's a lot of people parked, but not a lot of them driving, is there?
Maybe kind of warm.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty neat.
Probably heat keeping some of them off, I think.
I would think so, yeah.
Dark there.
Yeah, it is starting to feel pretty nice out.
Yeah. It ain't quite got a whole lot of them. They're mostly parked right now, ain't they?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Well, they got the bigger track now.
Yeah. I forget his name.
If you wouldn't have asked me, I could have told you. Are we supposed to stop here or no?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, there's cops in there, but I guess about to do this.
Oh, he's waving you through, so. Oh, there is some awesome vehicles out here for sure. Very cool.
Is this too fast or is this all right?
I think this is perfect.
All right, I just want to make sure you got it good.
I usually always parked up here underneath where that red car is.
Okay. Continuously going now, looks like.
Yeah.
You got a drive-through pay in their system now.
Yeah.
They got a place right there. Nice.
Yeah, they got a nice spot. Is it 65?
Yes.
Yeah, it is. suppose.
Yeah. Well, that was yeah, a little burnout in front of us. You see that?
Yeah.
That was Tyrone.
Oh, okay.
I'm sitting there, I actually remember his name. I can't remember people's name. It actually showed it. We got a bunch of people in that places.
Yeah, there is.
There's Melba.
Yeah.
There's the Nomads. I want to get that dump kit on it, put the open head or something.
Oh, yeah. That'd be cool.
I like this old shop school bus here.
Yeah, that's a neat thing.
It's like a 40s, 40 up to 46 maybe. So do you go right or go left? Go, I guess you go left now.
Cruise route right this way here.
Okay. Little highboy looks like.
Yeah.
I know all those guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll stay where we're at. We got good at place out of the grass. You know.
Yeah.
I'd like to jump on it one time.
Yeah.
I think we're getting a ticket though.
Yeah. You did it right in front of the cops, though.
Yeah. There's that one guy. He got a 58. His dad used to work for Beer Brothers. Remember Beer Brothers?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. He actually worked on my Chevelle a lot. Not my Chevelle, my Camaro.
Okay.
I am a road runner now that I think about it.
Well, I think we turned in right here.
I guess so. Looks like it.
Yeah.
We just turn around here.
white Chevelle.
Yeah, that's 70. Yeah, one of these days I'll get me another one of those. I found the exact car I had like 30,000 miles in.
Mustang?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe another hour, there'll be a lot more out.
Oh, you know it.
We'll go for another ride then, don't we?
Here we are. All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Show Me Your Car as much as I did. If you liked what you saw and you want to subscribe, just click on the little round logo right there. You can subscribe there. It's free to do. And this is the last video I just did. Thanks a whole bunch, folks, for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it.